Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Trade Tech Analysis, and you are watching a short video on Bitcoin behavior. It is right now at make or break level, so that is a deciding level where it can move up or down. Okay, as we know, we have FOMC meeting. Mr. Powell will give his commentary on rate cuts, whether they will do it or not. So if it is positive, then we will see a sharp movement upwards, and if it is not, we'll see a decline as well. And why it is at the breakout level, let's understand. So right now we are at the daily chart. Okay, now I do see a inverted head and shoulder pattern here. Okay, so what next? What it can do is, let's say if the meeting is positive, we'll see the completion of this inverted head and shoulder pattern like this till this level. Okay, if it is not, we'll see a sharp decline as well, because uh, we often see that when there is a trap setup, so what they do is they will uh, so this is a complete one. So what they do is they trap the buyers when they try to buy it here like this. So this can be similar pattern here as well. Okay, so that's why I said it is on the make or break level. Okay, so now what can be done? So this is the line which will decide whether it will go up or not. And why? Because we took Fibonacci from low of this trend to high of the trend. This is at the 61.8%. So now if it closes above this level, it will be a confirmation that 61.8% has been completed. And when it is completed, it also shows that trend would be positive, and we'll see it getting completed till 100%. Okay, 100% is the minimum. If that happens, then we'll see another movement till 68,380 and 72,689. So these can be the potential targets. Let's say if Bitcoin is not taking it positive, let's say if they say that this is not the right time, as we see there is a fear of recession as well. If they don't cut the rates, then we'll see it getting declined here as well. So either way, we'll have from here 3 to 4 thousand move upwards and downwards as well. So you need to keep an eye on the commentary, and as soon as it is done, uh, we'll be able to see the sharp decline or incline as well. Either way, you will get 3 to 4 thousand points. If you are able to capture it, that will be a huge money. Okay, so depends on the kind of Bitcoin you are purchasing, whether it is half, full, or multiple Bitcoins like this. So that is going to be a deciding level. So if I delete all these, let me show you something on the 4-hour chart as well. That is also same on 4-hour chart as well, but here head and shoulder formation is not completed, so that it can go up. For that, it needs to give closing above this level, which is 60,804. So right now, Bitcoin is at the kind of levels it can give a breakout as well. But what I feel, I was in the live trading today, and what I feel that it is trying to hit the stop losses on the upside and the bottom side as well. So it's kind of not deciding whether, I mean, Bitcoin, as in the insiders, they are not sure what can happen. So they are just price is just in the sideways range. So if it has to go up, then it will definitely wait for the commentary, and if it is not, we'll see a sharp decline from here. Okay, So just keep an eye and you'll see the difference on these levels. And let's say if it has to go below, what can be the levels? Okay, so for that we will draw a Fibonacci from this level to bottom. Let's say price won't go up, then what can we do? Okay, so this is the level. You can think of a short side, and if closing is done below this level, this is on 4-hour chart, so we need to wait for 4 hours candle to close here. Then we can see 57,000 and 55,000 as well. Last time we were able to capture this as well. Okay, so similar thing can happen here as well. So just keep an eye, and if you like my analysis, please leave a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe. Okay, till then, take care. Good day.